Hi, it is Evelyn here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of the IG Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headline from Goa. Writer Yusuf Sheikh gets Antonio Pereira Konkani Puraskar 2008. Here's what we have in our local news. 104 civil and railway constables pass out of Mangalore Police Training School. 5th All India Physiotherapy Students Conference held in the city. And in our entertainment bash, we bring you songs from Lorna Show and Mega Konkani concert and a Kannada song from Music Masti 2007 held at Brahmawar.
Apurva for Atlan.
News in detail. For the first time in the last 18 years of the prestigious Antonio Pereira Konkani Puraskar, a person from the audiovisual media and from the Muslim community of Goa has been selected by Thomas Stephens Konkani Kendra for the award. Yusuf Sheikh, the former station director of Doordarshan Shillong, bags APK Puraskar 2008. He has been selected for this award for his contribution to Konkani through audiovisual media and to Konkani literature, especially poetry. And interestingly, Yusuf Sheikh had worked for Mangalore AIR from 1984 to 1991. Born on August 1, 1948, Yusuf Sheikh hails from the Muslim community of Goa. He has done his MSc from University of Bombay in 1973. He started to serve Konkani in 1966 with the composition of poems and writing short stories. During his college days, he aggressively participated in the Konkani language movement and started Konkani Sanskritik Mandal in 1968. Yusuf was one of those who lit the Konkani torch and led the movement initiated in mid-70s by Gurunath Kelekar with an inspiring slogan, Konkani Ulai, Konkani Borai, Konkanintle Sarkar Soloi. During his posting at All India Radio Mangalore from 1984 to 1991, he learned the Kannada script and contributed to Konkani periodicals in Kannada script. He has also worked as an assistant station director at All India Radio and Doordarshan Kendra, Panaji. Yusuf Sheikh has 2 books to his credit. Apart from these contributions and achievements, a number of his songs have been set to music and regularly broadcast by All India Radio, Panaji, Mangalore and Mumbai. Yusuf Sheikh will receive the award from the Archbishop of Goa, Philip Neri Ferraro, on March 28th at the closing ceremony of TSKK Silver Jubilee Year to be held at Thomas Stephens Konkani Kendra. A ceremonial passing out parade of the civil and railway police constables was held on Wednesday, January 6th evening at Police Training School Parade Ground. Out of the 104 civil and railway police constable trainees who completed the 9-month program at the Police Training School, 19 were Mangaloreans. We have a report on this. It was a proud moment for 104 civil and railway police constable trainees who participated in ceremonial passing out parade and oath-taking ceremony held at Police Training School in the city.
ಹಿತಕರ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾದ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
85 cadets will join the State Railway Police and the rest will serve in the Mysore City Commissionerate. The training began on April 16, 2007 and they received training in more than 20 subjects by experts on various fields. Additional Director General of Police, Recruitment and Training, D.V. Guru Prasad received the salute at the passing out parade.
ಕಳೆದ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಈ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಬೇತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪೊಲೀಸರಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ವಿವಿಧ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಪ್ರಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವುದು. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ತೀವ್ರ ತರಹದ ಸವಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಳೆದ ಸುಮಾರು 1 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಕಚೇರಿಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾನೂನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Trophies were presented to the cadets for their excellent performance. 22-year-old Gopal HD of Mandya was declared the best all-round cadet. Ningappa G. Hunachil from Hukkeri received the best outdoor cadet trophy. Rajendra Prasad won the best rifle target practice award. Vinay Kumar and Neelappa Navalli shared the second place. Western Range IGP A.M. Prasad, Superintendent of Police N. Satish Kumar, ASP B.S. Lokesh Kumar were present on the occasion. Physiotherapy is one of the fastest growing areas of medicine. South Canara, the district which has emerged as a leading education hub in the state, has in its abode a number of physiotherapy colleges which are attracting students from all over the country. Dr. M.B. Shetty College of Physiotherapy hosted the 5th All India Physiotherapy Students Conference in Mangalore on Thursday, January 7th morning. The future physiotherapists of India flocked Mangalore Town Hall on Thursday, February 7th to take a clue from their teachers and senior physiotherapists at the 5th All India Physiotherapy Students Conference held by South Canara Physiotherapy Teachers Association. The chief guest, former physiotherapist of Indian cricket team and the president of Indian Association of Physiotherapists, Dr. Ali Irani inaugurated the conference. Ali Irani, addressing the gathering, said that the long-cherished dream of the physiotherapists has come true as the Indian government is all set to give its nod for the Indian Council for Physiotherapy.
We are very hopeful with the changes required. Very soon, physiotherapy will have its own independent council in the country. We never had an office of our own, and last year we did purchase a property which will be called the IEP Secretariat, which will be in New Delhi, the capital of India. We didn't have any proper identification for ourselves. Well, last year we started giving identity cards to all our IEP members. And the forms are available on our website, physiotherapyindia.org. Traveling across the country, visiting various physiotherapy colleges and IEP branches was my attempt to standardize the best syllabus with uniformity. Teachers being icon should mold the students with a smile on their face. They should be led by an example, as advice may be wrong, but example proves themselves. I would also request all the faculty members and teachers to encourage and guide students to become an IIT member. Tomorrow it may be a council member.
Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences ex-syndicate member Dr. M. Ram Gopal Shetty, Dr. Mary Martin from Canada.
I remember wondering at that time whether physio wasn't a luxury here in a land where so few have access to clean drinking water, so many die of diarrhea and other easy-to-cure diseases.
Capri Institute of Manual Therapy Chairman Dr. Deepak Kumar, RGUHS Syndicate member Dr. Bharat Shetty, Board of Studies Chairman Dr. Praveen Aaron were present. South Canara Physiotherapy Teachers Association Chairman Dr. Susan Varghese, Convener Dr. UT Iftikhar Ali were also present. The conference was organized as a part of Physio Week 2008. That's all we have from our news desk. Now before we move on to our entertainment bash, let us take a short break here. Don't go anyway. I'll be right back with lots of entertainment programs.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್,